Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Fogwing EAM, which is the Enterprise Asset Management Software. Now, the Enterprise Asset Management Software is a part of a larger suite, which is the Asset Operational Management Software. So we have three softwares in it, which is first is the Enterprise Asset Management Software, then we have our CMMS software, and then we have Asset Performance Monitoring software. So the enterprise asset management software is a software which we have designed to help the organization to manage the entire life cycle of a physical asset. So right from the acquisitions of the assets till the installation, maintenance, and then operational procedures of the asset till the disposal and decommissioning of the asset. So all this part is covered into our EAM software. Not only that, but the financial tracking of particular asset is also included. Then we have the procurement details, then project management, and as such, there are various features that we have included in the EAM software. So now today we are going to see the dashboard of the enterprise asset management software. So starting off with the total asset that we have here is it displays into this card. Then we have the total capital investment, which will include the sum of the purchase cost of all the equipments. Also, it will include some of the additional cost which is required at the time of installation or some other operational, which is a static cost which incurred onto the organization will be the part of the capital investment here. Then we have the total operational expense, which includes the sum of the maintenance expenses, then the miscellaneous costs is included, then the resource part costs, all that will be the part of the operational expenses here. Then we have the total depreciation value, which will be the sum of the um, depreciation cost of the asset here. So that total value of total depreciation will be visible here. Then we have the operational expenses by month. So the last 5 months will be visible here, and all the details about the part cost, resource cost, which has incurred, that the miscellaneous cost for each month will be available here in the um, column chart here. Then moving on, we have the asset utilization where we have segregated the asset in different parts here. So first off, we have asset by plants and facilities. So how many plants have how many assets and what all the assets are there is available into this pie chart here. Then we have the asset by category. So different machines in different categories is available here. Then we have asset life cycle, which shows how many number of asset is currently available, how many are scrapped, decommissioned, then how many which is purchased. So all that information is available here in the asset life cycle part. Then we have the asset total cost of ownership. So all the information about financial details about the asset, different assets is available here in the asset TCO pie chart here. So then we have the top 10 expensive asset here. So as you can see here, so these are all the expensive asset which is available here. So all these financial details and different details is available for the maintenance manager or the asset manager to view and take decisions, crucial decisions on a day-to-day basis or on a monthly or yearly basis. So all that information is available here in the dashboard itself. So this is about the dashboard of the EAM software. Stay tuned for a different feature which will be explained in the upcoming videos here. Thank you for watching the video.